Hi, good morning. It's Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling, back out here in Gilbert, Arizona. We just did a final walk over here at our friends Jeff, Kristen, and Wes's house. I want to show you the final results of our work here. You can see this beautiful shower. We got a nice curbless entry. We did a 12 by 24 tile on the shower walls, and we did a nice glass liner. The 12 by 24 came from Arizona Tile, and this glass liner came from Floor and Decor. The biggest thing we wanted to do, same with this mosaic tile came from Arizona Tile as well. We wanted to do a curbless shower. The whole reason we came into this job was there was a tub here. This is Wes's bathroom, and it was this is more of an aging in place shower. No curb to step over, curbless shower, which is nice. You got this bench seat. We added some grab bars. We added a handheld in here for you can shower in place while you're sitting down, or you can utilize this shower standing up and utilizing this valve that runs this. Now the liner matches this cabinetry perfect. This cabinetry is from Sollid Cabinetry here in Arizona, a local company. We wanted to, before there was a sink that was right here next to this this vanity or this linen cabinet. We got rid of that so we can add all this extra storage. Now you can see here, this really, beats having a medicine cabinet up in the corner. You have a lot more space. You can pull this drawer out and see all your vitamins, all your medication, anything you need to take. Plus you have all this extra storage here that really, you're gonna need a lot of stuff to fill this cabinet up, and that's just the bottom portion. You can put a bunch of linens up in the top portion. It really gives you a lot of options here. We went with brushed nickel fixtures throughout. The one thing we wanted to do is make this a lot more spacious, so we got a lot wider of a shower space. We have plenty of space inside the shower. We added a 36-inch space here, and we opened up the doorway and put a barn door, so you can see this really. So we got this nice barn door on here, and we did a double shaker panel door for a little more modern look and match the hardware, which is the the satin nickel finish. So one other thing we did while we were at it, since we moved this shower wider and brought it over, we had a window that was over here, and we wanted to slide that over to be centered over the toilet. The one thing that we noticed was when we had the thing over here, it was going to notch out around that window. So when we decided we were going to move the window over, the customer wanted to have a awning style window that she could have, a cross draft come through the house during cooler times here out in Arizona. So get a nice fresh air through the house. So all in all, love how this turned out. We plan to come back and do other jobs on this at this house. So look forward to showing you that stuff, and appreciate you sticking through watching all these videos through this project. And we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye-bye.